Hey again. I know the way of update record and delete record using name. This is not professional way because maybe two more than one people having same name. What I will do in this video, try to update the table, adding a new record, a new field, and you make you comfortable with updating tables. Also getting this example completed. So what I need to do, I need in the create table, I need to add a new field, which is ID. This ID should be first of all integer. So I say integer. Then it should be primary key. So I say primary key. Hopefully I write it correct. Also should be auto increment. So I say auto increment. Increment. So this is. So then semicolon. I just add a new field, which is ID, which is auto increment. Hopefully increment. Yeah. Hopefully everything is correct. So now I will not run it because the table already created, he will not update it for me. So to do that, I have to delete the database first. Make sure delete it. If it's already available, that means I'm already open it. Do it, here remove it. Now if I just run it again, hopefully not rerun it again, he will create it for me. Going back to SQLite browser and see what is going on. Did he add the new field? Which is, here is it. Where is it? I have to go open file database, look for PyCharm. This is my PyCharm Udemy, which is information, hopefully created. Yeah, here's the admin. If you see now, I have three things. If you see I have ID, did you see this key? This means primary key and auto increment. So whenever I add any record, he will already create key and he already give it a unique ID, which is good. So now what other modification you have to do it? In add operation, we will not do anything because we're just adding, so there's no problem. So we're just adding username and age. We don't need to add the ID. ID already something created. We say the primary key, we say auto increment. That means he created for us. If you go down, list now, I don't want to list only name and age. I want to list ID also. I say ID, semicolon, this way, and I want to add it here. So I say, hey, from the row, bring the ID for me, please. So now I added third field. Now if I want to list users, I will list the ID also. So I would now the ID of the user, so I could delete it. Now what do you think here? In update and delete, do I have to get name? No. From now I will get ID, and also here should be the ID, and this one don't need single quotation because single quotation only with string. Now I'm deleting by ID. Same thing, I want to update the age, I need the ID only, and where, not name, where the ID, and here should be the ID. I don't know why this voice. Also this one should be ID, sorry. So yes, getting ID, do it, delete according ID. Here we go. I think this part is okay. If I go down a little bit, see here is enter your delete record. I delete by name, then we change the I will delete by ID. Enter ID should be this one because the ID have to convert from to integer. Also here is delete ID. Also here same thing, enter person ID, and here should be integer because I'm doing changing, and hopefully sending it. Make sure before you just run it, you just delete the database that you have it, because as I told you, we change the structure of the database. We add a new field, so it doesn't work. So make sure you just run it again. Now just run it to see what is going on. So first of all, first we start index of adding. So one. So one, here you say enter name. I enter Hussein and age 28. Then ask me again. I will again add. Click add. I will click Jenna and I enter age 2 year. Then continuing, I select again one. Then he enter name. I say Leia and her age 1 year. Now I want to list all the elements. I select 2 to list all elements. See, this is I have it Hussein. He has ID 1 already been assigned. Then 2 Jenna. Then 3 Leia. Everything look cool here. So I want to delete. So let me select 3. 3 asks me enter ID of the person. I want to delete Jenna. So ID Jenna is 2.
So I would say 2, click enter, he say deleted. Now if I want to list element, I click 2, enter, I don't see Jana. Here you go. Now for update, I have to click 4. He say enter ID of the person you want to update. Let me update age of the Leia. So the ID of Leia is a 3. So I say hey 3, age, new age of Leia, I will say 2 year. Now I want to list element, I click 2. Then enter, he show me the new age for Leia, which is 2 year. So one thing you have to understand it here, whenever you change the schema of the database, I mean schema changing the table. So make sure when you change the table, add a new column, try to delete the database and recreate it again. So here we done, and thank you for watching, and see you next.